बराह रास्त आपको ले चलेंगे। कौमी असम्बली का इजलास इस वक्त जारी है। वफाकी वज़ीर कानून आज़म नज़ीर तारड़ इस वक्त इजहार ख्याल कर रहे हैं।
जनाब स्पीकर, उसी सिलसिले की कड़ी है। ये तमाम जो सियासी जमातें हैं पार्लियामान में, उनकी मुशावरत से तैयार की गई है। आपकी इजाज़त दरकार है कि यह हाउस के सामने पेश की जाए ताकि हमारे जज्बात की तर्जुमानी हो।
जी प्लीज़।
सर, this house bows its head in all humility before Almighty Allah for granting Pakistani nation the dignity and honor in defending the motherland's territorial integrity against the naked Indian aggression. Congratulates the entire nation which rose above all differences and stood united behind its leadership across the political spectrum with one voice, Pakistan. Commends the valiant armed forces of Pakistan for their exemplary professionalism, vigilance and courage in defending the sovereignty of Pakistan in response to unprovoked Indian aggression with exceptional restraint and responsibility and through a measured and befitting response. Pays rich tribute to the brave martyrs who laid down their lives in defense of the motherland and solemnly acknowledges their supreme sacrifice as a symbol of national pride, resilience, and unity. Expresses sincere gratitude to the friendly countries for their support to Pakistan at this critical juncture. Reiterates its pledge to regional and global peace with dignity and honor, while underscoring that democracies are committed to dialogue, not conflict. Therefore, highlights that secure neighborhood and long-term stability in South Asia can only be achieved through sincere and structured negotiations. Urges the authorities to actively engage the international community in efforts to resolve the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the aspirations of Kashmiri people and the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions.
कौमी असम्बली का इजलास इस वक्त जारी है। आज़म नज़ीर तारड़ की जानिब से इजहार ख्याल किया जा रहा है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।